Speaker stands don't really get a lot of love because they're kind of a necessary and annoying evil that you have to deal with when you're working with studio monitors or speakers, especially in a professional environment where accurate sound is a must. If you place your studio monitors or speakers on a desk or a table or another work surface, then vibrations from the speaker transferred to the surface can unfortunately affect the tone of the speaker cabinets, which can then color and affect the mixes that you're creating. So it's really important that you get your studio monitors off of a desk and onto an isolated flat surface. That's where monitor stands like the Ultimate Support JS-MS70 jam stands come in. These stands feature a heavy-duty steel base that provides stability and prevents unwanted vibrations from affecting the tone of a monitor. The tops have a small non-slip pad that keeps the monitors from being able to slide off. The height of the stands can be adjusted from 32.5 inches to 44.25 inches, making them suitable for a range of studio setups. The top plate of the stand measures 9 inches by 9 inch, providing ample space for most studio monitors. I'm also using RLX foam on top to provide even more isolation for the speakers. These stands have a weight capacity of up to 90 pounds per stand, so they can support a variety of heavy professional speakers. I'm using Atom Audio T8Vs on them. I've used some JBL studio monitors as well, and they've all been great. Now, I like to put sandbags on the bottom of my speaker stands just to add a little bit of extra strength and to prevent any wobble and to keep them from being able to be knocked over by my cats. These stands were easy to assemble. I had them put together in a few minutes, and it comes with all the tools and hardware that you need to assemble them. You also get these little spikes for putting on carpet to help level out the speaker stands on carpet. Overall, I really like these stands, but I feel like they could be a little bit sturdier, a little bit heavier. That's part of why I added the sandbags to mine. And I also wish they had better cable management options. I ended up just zip tying my cables to the back of them to provide a clean and sleek look. They give you these little cable management clips, but there's only 2 or 3 of them, and they're really not big enough to hold both a power cable and an XLR or RCA cable. Another thing that I think could be improved is they only use 1 screw to hold the base on and 1 screw to hold the top on. And if there was a second or a third screw, that would just add a little bit of extra strength and rigidity and keep the parts from being able to twist. The knob is plastic, but it feels durable enough as long as you're not traveling with these. And the support pin is metal, and it holds the stand and keeps it from being able to fall lower even after you've adjusted the height. Overall, I think these stands are great and they should last a long time. They allow me to remove my stands from my desktop to decouple the sound of my speakers and to prevent any unnecessary vibrations in the speakers from affecting my mixes and my audio processing. I have links for all the products in this video in the description below. And if you found value in this content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming content on this channel.